Let's prepare our drying agent. Let's add the baking powder, nutmeg to the flour and mix together. This is flour and this is our baking powder and this is our nutmeg over there. So here we are going to measure this flour that is in the bowl. Remember, what I'm going to coat is 3 cups of groundnuts. So I want to make use of 5 cups of flour. Although it might not finish these 5 cups of, it will not finish it. It will still remain. Some of it will remain. I will not use the whole flour, but I just measured out 5 cups of flour. But it cannot finish it. Definitely, some will remain. So I just want to measure it out so that you will see it. That is 5 cups of flour. It's just 5 cups of flour. And these 5 cups of flour, we are going to add it baking powder. These 5 cups of flour that is here. So now we are going to add baking powder. You see this spoon I'm holding, it is 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon. It comes with measuring cup. 1 tablespoon. We are going to add it 2 spoons. We are going to add 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons. Just level to that 5 cups of flour. You see it? Yes, we are adding. Some people used to add this baking powder to their syrup and mix it together. But me, this is the method I'm using for my. Everybody have their own method. So I'm adding mine to the flour. All the drying agents, I add them to the flour. Then we go in with our nutmeg. Remember, this is 1 seed of nutmeg. So this 1 seed of nutmeg, I'm going to divide it into 2 for the 5 cups of flour. So if you are making 10 cups of flour, you will put the whole 1 seed of nutmeg. But in this case, I'm making 5 cups. So I'm going to divide 1 seed of nutmeg into 2 equal parts. That's what we are going to do so that it will bring out the aroma of the peanut. It will contribute to the good flavor of the peanut. So we are going to add it inside the flour, not the syrup. I'm just trying to make sure that everything are equal. So you go in with your nutmeg and mix properly. Mix it very well so that everything will blend, you know. You mix it very well. By doing this, your flour is ready to be used. You are free to use your flour at this point. Don't forget to drop your questions. Thanks for watching.